Here's how you can fix YouTube voice search if it isn't working. So currently, if I try and click on this, then click on the microphone icon, it's going to turn on, but it's not going to recognize my voice and the microphone input won't work. So how do we fix this? So in Google Chrome, you can go to the three dots in the top right-hand corner. You can then click on settings. Once you're in settings, go to privacy and security. And then if you scroll down, you can go to site settings. You'll be able to go ahead and see if YouTube has blocked your microphone. If so, you can go ahead and click on it and you can unblock it. You may see that here. If not, you can go to microphone and then here you'll see not allowed to use your microphone. If YouTube is here, go ahead and remove that. You want to then change it to sites can ask to use your microphone and make sure your default microphone is selected here that you would like to speak into. Now, once you've done all of that, you can close out and refresh the page. Now we'll go ahead and click it again, and it's going to then ask us for permission. We can now allow while visiting the site, and now it's working.